Third grade is a big year for developing logical thinking skills. Kids at this level are beginning to understand that problems can have more than one solution. They take pride in doing things on their own without adult help, and you may see a change in their desire to take control of their learning journey. The parent dashboard is where you'll go to design personalized learning plans and schedule lessons by subject and by day. In third grade, you can assign chapters across language arts, math, science, and social studies. Some learners may benefit from additional math practice with Time for Math Facts or extended language arts. Both come free with your membership. The student dashboard is where kids log in to view their courses. Most lessons start with a 2 to 5 minute video, followed by activities, practice, and assessments to reinforce learning. As assessments get more challenging, many learners enjoy the immediate feedback they get from quizzes. Kids can then consider alternative solutions when they answer incorrectly. Families also love that third grade science comes with a ton of worksheets for experiments to try at home. In third grade, learners design a nest as they study life cycles and design a telescope as they learn about space. This year, some learners may begin to discover more challenging material. It's so important here to reinforce a growth mindset. As content gets more subject-specific, some families also prefer to focus on one subject per day, while others prefer to review each subject daily in small doses. It's all possible with Time for Learning.